Welcome to Mama Maestro's kitchen. Let's cook together. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. To make almond ice cream, following are the ingredients. To make ice cream, you'll need a blender, heavy cream, condensed milk, ground cardamom, almond powder, and some chopped almond. So these were the ingredients. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients and blend them. Here I'm adding almond powder. Next will be cardamom powder. Heavy cream, condensed milk, now I will add the chopped almond later. Here goes the condensed milk as you have already seen. Now I'm going to blend it. Less than 5 minutes the ice cream will be ready. Can you see? It's already thickened. Now I'm adding the almond and I will stir it or give it a little mini blend. Now I have transferred the ice cream from the blender into a nice container and I would garnish it with chopped almond, just to add the texture or to give it that crunchy taste. I will then place the ice cream in the refrigerator and serve it cold. Friends, if you like this recipe, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.